In this video, I'm going to show you how to combine PDF with I Love PDF. Now, the first thing you want to do here on their website, you want to go to all PDF tools and click on Merge PDF, which basically is the same as combining a PDF, or just by clicking over here. Then you'll have to basically select the PDF files. So here you can just click on Select PDF Files and you can select them, or you can just drag and drop them in here, which I'm going to do right now. So I'm going to drag and drop two of my PDF files over here on my computer. I'm going to click on the first one and then the second one, and I'm going to drag them in here like this. And there we go. As you can see, here's two. Now, of course, these are similar. However, it doesn't really matter for this tutorial, and you can go ahead and rearrange them. So, of course, put the first one where you want the first one to be. So let's say I want this PDF, those 3 pages in the first PDF to be kind of the first 3 pages within the combined merged PDF, and then those 3 to be actually the basically 4th, 5th, and 6th page. Now, when you do that, when you actually set it to where you want it to be, click on Merge PDF over here. It's going to merge. You can then download that to your computer, and then you can look at if that's cool, or you can do it again if you don't like it. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.